Hello, I would like to take a few more minutes to further explain the effects of material of electrode to the products of electrolysis. As I said in the previous video, mercury electrode and metal electrode like copper or silver or other metals will affect the product of electrolysis, but not all of the electrodes. They will only when they are at certain electrode they will have effects on the product of electrolysis. For example, this case, right? These are all the mercury. Okay, these are all mercury. That's why you can see that it's silvery in color. And then only when it is connected to, you can see that it has a plastic cover wire, and then here is the metal wire. That means the electron will come along with the electric wire to here, so that all these mercury, because it is also metal, so it can also conduct electricity. So all these mercury liquid metal will have electron. Okay, so only when it is connected to negative charge, negative electrode, then sodium and hydrogen ion will be attracted. Then it will favor the formation of metal. Then it will bring effect, which will make which will lead to formation of metal, but not hydrogen gas. Okay, but what if it's not connected to the negative electrode? Then what effect does it have? If it's connected to, for example, here, okay, if it's connected to the positive electrode, what effects will it bring? It's concentrated sodium chloride solution, and then here has sodium ion, hydrogen ion, hydroxide and chloride, right? And then here is positive electrode. That means anion will be attracted, so no more electron here. Instead, anion will be attracted to here because now it has positive charge. All these are positive, it's connected to positive electrode, so it has positive charge. So hydroxide and chloride will be attracted to here. However, both of them, this one will form oxygen gas and this one will form chlorine gas, and none of them will give metal. So if the mercury is bonded to, it's connected to positive electrode of the battery as an anode, then it will not have any effects to the electrolysis of brine, because both anions here are not metal, none of them are metal, so it will have no effects. Only when it is connected to negative electrode, and when the cation, among the cation here there is metal ion, then metal will be formed instead of hydrogen gas. Okay, so mercury will only affect the products of electrolysis when it is the cathode, or when it is connected to negative electrode of the battery. Okay, and next, how about metal electrode? Also, in the opposite way, metal electrode will only bring effect, will only affect the result of electrolysis when it is connected to negative electrode. Okay, so why? What's happening? Clean it. I started from the beginning. Okay, when the metal is connected to positive electrode of the battery, then it will have effects. Why? Because when it is connected to positive, because here is positively charged, then the anion or in this solution will be attracted. That means sulfate and hydroxide will be attracted. However, this electrode is metal. it's metal, it's a reactive metal, and it also likes to lose electron. So instead of these two, copper will loses electron to form a metal ion. Okay, but what about a copper electrode bonded to negative electrode of battery? Because this is negatively charged, and can metal gain electron? Can metal gain electron to form copper 2 minus? Will this take place? No. Okay, so it will not have any effects on the results of electrolysis. Okay, only when it is bonded to positive electrode of battery, then it will have effect. And when it works as anode, then it will affect the result. When it is in cathode, that means bonded to negative of the battery, then it will have no any effects. It will still work as the same, because copper 2 plus and hydrogen ion will be attracted to this electrode, and we define which one discharge according to ECS. Okay.